Hello, I'm Darren from Miro AI Studio. Here you have 7 practical tips to run smoother, more effective retrospectives in Miro. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Start with a template. No need to build from scratch. Miro offers great retrospective templates, and we're using the quick retrospective template for this video. Click the template icon in the toolbar and search Retros. Add the template that best fits your needs to the board. Let's say we want to use quick retrospective. Tip 2. Set clear objectives. Before diving in, make sure everyone knows the goal of the retrospective. Are you focused on identifying process improvements, or maybe just team alignment? Setting this expectation up front helps everyone stay focused. Tip 3. Keep it visual and engaging. Use Miro's built-in sticky notes, colors, and icons to make the session interactive and visually appealing. This isn't just for fun. It helps people engage and remember insights better. Tip 4. Cluster ideas with Miro AI. After everyone has added their thoughts, use Miro AI to quickly cluster sticky notes by keywords or themes. Just select the notes, click on the AI assistant, and ask it to group similar ideas together. This cuts down on sorting time and helps your team see patterns and priorities fast. Tip 5. Prioritize with voting. Once ideas are clustered, open the voting app in Miro. Set the number of votes each person gets and let the team highlight the most impactful or relevant items. This way, the most valuable insights naturally rise to the top. Tip 6. Foster open dialogue. Encourage everyone to share why they voted the way they did. This often sparks deeper conversations and uncovers hidden issues or opportunities. Tip 7. Use Miro AI to summarize. When the session wraps up, use Miro AI to create a retrospective summary. Select all your sticky notes and ask Miro AI to generate a summary document. Perfect for capturing action points, sharing with stakeholders, and ensuring you don't lose valuable insights. Let me know in the comments if you have additional tips that work well with your team. Remember to subscribe for more Miro tutorials, agile best practices, and ways to improve your team's collaboration. So long from Miro AI Studio. I'm available 24/7, which makes me the most dedicated teacher there is.